So let's take an example. Start with the example. There is a boy from today 7 years back. If you talk about 2019, right? There is a boy sitting in a 10 by 2 hostel room and on a table and chair. Beside the table and chair, there is a single bed, and on the bed there is some books scattered of some physics, mathematics, chemistry, and I think many of you are from medical or some engineering. So the boy actually was preparing for IIT JEE exam, right? And on the table there is some paper and question papers, and it was a dinner time, late evening, and he was waiting for his friend. Okay, and he was just phone in his hand, and he was scrolling through YouTube, and he found a video appear on the screen with the title "How to Create a YouTube Channel and Earn Money Online." All right, he just about to click on the video. From the back end, his friend is calling from the outside. Ki bro, let's go for the dinner. Otherwise, mess will be going to close. Then you go, ठीक है bro, आ रहा हूँ. Then just about to open the video, but his finger moved to the right hand side, three black dot, and he clicked on the save to video watch later. After that, he forgot that moment and forgot that video. And the interesting part is complete journey, the complete 1 year, that video never appear on the screen. All right. By the way, I want to ask you before going ahead, how many of you have prepared something for the competition exams like NEET, JEE, or UPSC, anything? Please raise your hands. I think almost all. So I think you will better relate. All right. So by this, myself, Sachibur Jabbar, and I'm an architect, I'm an educator, and I'm a content creator. I side by side, I'm an author, and I launch or started at the age of 23, and right now I'm at 25, and I'm here to tell you an interesting part, right? A transformation. So let's continue this moment. So I was preparing, that story was mine. Okay. And I was preparing for the ITJ, and just I cleared the JEE mains, I cleared the JEE advanced exam. Alright. But when we prepare for any exam, with the dedication, with the seriousness, with the step by step, complete concepts, clarity, with the brick by brick, alright, with a clear base, clear foundation, two things happen. If we make it, if we get into top college, then it's success. It gives immense joy, pleasure, happiness, life set. But if we fail, then it completely break us, completely shake us. And the interesting part is, it was second one for me. Even though I cleared the JEE advanced exam, I got a decent rank in advance. I didn't get into top 10 IIT colleges or the top 10 branches that I want to pursue. Okay. So I just when JEE advanced result came, I was in the depression and overthinking what to do now, etc., etc. And with the overthinking, all my other college options were ends and were completely closed. Alright, or the dates of the counseling dates were gone. Then I'm thinking what to do now. Then I'm researching. Then I found the creative part and creative field architecture. So I thought, let's take admission in architecture and I took admission in a local state government college and started pursuing architecture. And interesting part is there is an entry of coronavirus, COVID-19, right? And I thought again, we'll back to the home and again, all things will be online. Or like time pass ho gaya. Then in the first wave, then in the second wave, 2021, I was sitting at home. In the late evening time, my mother was calling from me behind for the dinner, and I was scrolling through the YouTube again. And guess what? That same later 2 after, that same YouTube video come on the screen, the same title, how to create a YouTube channel to start earning money online. This time, I click on that video and I watch the video. Next day, I just click on that option, create channel. That's it. And I thought, now the channel is created. Ab kya kare? So if you want to grow on social media, you have to provide the learnings, you have to provide the knowledge, you have to provide the real knowledge. मेरे पास तो कुछ नहीं है. I am the failure. I am not a IITian. I am not a top college student. So let's to finding this answer. Let's go 10 years back when I was in 9th and 10th class. In 9th class, I used to get supplementaries in exams. I used to get 14, 15 marks out of 100 marks. I passed 9th class by grace. I was like the last three from the 150 students in my all the three sections. I was like an introvert type of student. I was a backbencher type student, right? But just after 12th class, I was in the top three. I was got the 90 marks in class. I was got highest marks in mathematics. I used to solve the doubts of my batchmates. That was also another transformation. So I thought, let's do teach students for the class 12. Okay, let's make video how to prepare for the class 12 and how to get good marks and all. By shooting and uploading 50, 60 videos with a zero response, zero comment, zero audience. I don't know what is happening. Okay, let's do something unique. So I observed the gap in my own field. When I took the admission, there was lack of awareness or there was lack of mentorship, right? So I thought, let's do content creation or let's start making videos for in our field architecture. So I started making content, started making videos in my field, and guess what? Just after 10 to 15 videos, I started getting response from the students. Students like, Bhaiya, can you please tell me how to prepare for the exams? Bhaiya, can you please guide me? What are the top colleges in India? Bhaiya, can you please tell me what is? Bhaiya, can you please tell me your journey? When I got this question, can you please tell your journey? That was मेरी जर्नी क्या है मेरे पास कुछ है नहीं बताने के लिए मैं क्या बताऊंगा बट एक्चुअली दिस जर्नी जिसकी वजह से आज मैं यहाँ पर खड़ा हूँ and I'm truly grateful and truly thankful. Then, after 2 years of making content creation, 2 years of guiding and mentoring students, I created India's biggest online students community in architecture in my college third year. And I used to teach on JEE students, mathematics on different platforms. And after that, in my final year, I launched my own startup, my own edtech platform in my final year. And the journey is not actually easy, right? When we start something, we think it's very difficult to start something, right? Look, I think it's very difficult, it's very hard to start something. I'm telling you, it's very easy to start something. It's very easy to start something. It's not difficult, it's very easy. It's need a little bit of courage to start something. But the main part is to keep that particular entrepreneurship or the particular startup or particular thing to that same momentum for a long term. That actually need a courage, continuous courage. That need a continuous learnings. That need continuous evolution in the time. Then I thought कि boss ऐसा कुछ होगा नहीं. Let's do something because start तो कर दिया. Then now how to hire the team, how to create anything, how to learn entrepreneurship, because as an entrepreneur you have to create something, you have to evolve with time, you have to eat every day, right? Because you fail every day, because you face rejections every day, you have to deal with that. So let's finding this answer go to 10 years back again. When I was in 9, 10, I used to play basketball. My family background is completely a sports background. We came from government job. My father, my sister, my uncle all in government job. So we used to play basketball. I am the 10-time state player and 5-time national player in basketball and netball. We used to play. So the sports teaches us dedication, teamwork, commitment, consistency, and most important is if we anytime we daily practice and we lose any match, the next day we come again on the court and we show up. Then I started applying the same learnings in my entrepreneurship journey. I fail every day. We fail every day. We fail rejections each and every day. But I learned it. The next day, I come again and started showing up. And we are building right now. We are building right now. So, the mainly conclusion is the boy who was introvert or even don't say his name in front of 4 to 5 people, how he become educator. The boy was last backbencher and how he was building the career around the public speaking. The boy, that one YouTube video, how it changed the direction of my life. That's all I have. I have nothing to tell about. That's all I have. One line by Steve Jobs, I remember that you can't connect your dots by looking forward in your life. You can only connect them by looking backward. What you have to do, those who are confused in life, those who want a direction, clear guidance, those who want a perfect thought, do one thing, take a pen and paper, right? And write down all your past achievements, all your past failures, all your past actions, anything, it's small or big. Write it down on a paper. Take 2 days, 3 days, even a week, write it down on a complete closed room. Alright. And think, mix them. And you will end up on come up with a formula or a cheat sheet or anything that actually guide you and actually give you the clarity. What's your direction? If you are confused in life, literally, it will help you a lot. And even though I started my side hustle during my college, I also want to set an example. If you are doing the side hustle with your college, you can also do better in your academics. I make it in my top 3 in my academics in college as well, in my final year of thesis, with my side hustle. And I'm telling you, our life actually will make sense when we start reconnecting our all previous dots. Thank you so much.